When the Communist Party of China was founded in 1921, it only had around 50 members. In just a century, as more and more people joined the cause, its membership has surpassed 95 million. 47 years ago, in the small village of Liangjiahe, a 20-year-old man joined the CPC. It was the first step of Xi Jinping's professional journey that would see him rise to the most senior position in the world's largest political party. In 1969, 15-year-old Xi Jinping arrived in Liangjiahe under a campaign that saw tens of millions of urban-educated youths experience rural life and work. The bookworm, a city boy, soon settled into village life.
有个习近平呢，他要求进步，爱看书学习，他经常看一些政治、文化、经济一类的书籍。他利用晚上在没有灯下一直看书，要看到深夜，是我们梁家河的群众呢对他比较喜欢的，经常跟他唠嗑，让他讲一些文化知识。
But Xi was much more than a talker. He also listened and took action.
之前呢，到我们梁家河插队以后呢，他们不会劳动啊，但是经常呢也有请示这个一些劳工啊，比如说习近平呢，常问我们，这个怎么样翻土，怎么样犁地，怎么样赶牲口，怎么样掏地、锄地等等。但是呢，他们这个有的是力气啊，劳动轻卖力了，有时候呢，这个干活的时候不戴手套，把手都磨出血泡来，但是他还坚持干。
Within 2 years, Xi was digging, carrying, and harvesting alongside the farmers.
所以他也经常学习为人民服务这篇文章，时时刻刻呢，以这个为村民服务，是他的理念。
While he comes from a revolutionary family, it was Xi's years in Liangjiahe that taught him the people-oriented philosophy and solidified his absolute faith in the party. Liang Yuming, who was then village party chief, witnessed Xi's determination to join the party.
习近平是从72年开始入台的，他总共以为入团为净谱写了8份，8份他说就是到最后，而且还是都运入了他。
Later, when Xi submitted his first application letter to join the party, Liang held a village party members' meeting, and everyone agreed to Xi's membership request. The application was then sent to the Commune Party Committee. Yang Shizhong was one of the committee members.
金平同志在插队期间积极要求进步，劳动踏实，工作负责，办事公道，这个完全具备这个大条件，符合这大条件。
Due to his father's situation in the then political environment, Xi's application was not immediately approved. But he was not dissuaded. He followed up with 9 more letters. In 1974, he was finally approved as a party member.
习近平呢，他入党是对共产党有高度的信仰，因为他10次先入党生气，他坚决要入党。为什么呢？他心系百姓，为群众做实事，办好事。
群众拥护他，相信他，也认可他，一致要求他担任村支部书记。所以公示党委根据群众的意见及时批准他为中国共产党党员，并担任梁家河村党支部书记。
As village party secretary, Xi spearheaded a series of social initiatives, including a dam that would protect farmland from floods, a methane tank to provide villagers with gas for their cookers and lighting, and a mill.
习近平呢，始终把穷苦的事放在第一位，严格要求自己，为村上办了很多事情，为这个党员干部呢，迟到带头不做。
Ahead of the CPC centenary, Xi Jinping visited an exhibition on CPC history in Beijing. There, he reviewed the party admission oath and stressed bearing in mind the course of the party's struggles, shouldering the historic mission and drawing strength from the party's history to forge ahead.
我志愿加入中国共产党。拥护党的纲领，遵守党的章程，履行党员义务，执行党的决定，严守党的纪律，保守党的秘密，对党忠诚，积极工作，为共产主义奋斗终生，随时准备为党和人民牺牲一切，永不叛党，